Well, it's been what, 2 years, and yeah, I still got it. So this is a par 4, 332 meters, and yeah, I have no idea about yardages here because I work in yards and everything's in meters. But I tell you one thing, I spanked the shit out of that. Okay, so I think about 80 meters, which is 90 yards. It's slightly uphill. I really don't know what to hit. I'm going to hit 56 full and see what happens. That's pretty good. What I'm going to struggle with today is I don't have golf shoes or a towel. To be honest, I didn't expect to have a birdie putt on my first hole. And they give me 2 putts, and I've opted for the big one. We pulled it slightly. We didn't give it enough. Take a 4 on the first hole. 100%. So we got a 4. Get one nice and gently like the last one will be really good. Thank you. Actually, fucking that's really good. Right inside the fairway. I mean, just look at that view. Stack and tilt, baby. Stack and tilt. Don't play golf for like over 2 years, don't hit a ball. Just turn up and just become great again. Look it up, stack and tilt. You're looking for a golf club with a view. Can I get a zoom on that? I think I've got roughly the same yardage. So I'm going to hit the same club the same way, I guess. That's probably the best pitch I've hit in about 2 years, maybe even longer. was a bit stabby, that. Very stabby indeed, actually, but there you go. It's enough for a 5. Might be right. Yes, we shall see. Actually, no, it's fine. It's open over there. It's a little bit leaky. There. Oh, it's through at least. I have no idea how far we're going to hit 6 miles. It's okay. More than the 6 iron. But that's alright. I think if we can break 90 today, that's going to be a decent achievement. It's a par 71, so bogey golf plus a blowout, I guess. See what happens. That's not going to sit down, is it? That's a little short. That'll do. Well, I think it's 200 odd yard par 3. I've got a 4x, whatever this is. I have no idea how far it is or how far it's going to go. To the right. The right club. Forward maybe? Give ourselves a horrible, horrible, horrible chip there. We wanted over the bunker, but there you go. Gives me a putt for a 3 anyway. That was actually amazing. That's actually so good.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
Oh, baby, let's go. Par. Up and down from nowhere. There you go, there. Next to it. Hit well enough. I guess we're going to launch a 5 iron down there somewhere. for the best. Pretty good. Pretty good from this loader. Yeah. Boom, baby, let's go.